Hey, what's up guys? We got a great video on deck that I'm very happy to bring to you guys today. We got the $9.99 Blackout Friday special ready for Chrome Week. This kit comes with a great variety of markers for only $9.99. All these markers plus a scribe and some ArtPrimo slaps made from the original company that made the original Hello, My Name is sticker. These are the real deal right here, guys. We have a bullet marker, AP Bullet, which is a depressible nib valve action marker. Very similar to a deco color, so if you've ever used one of those, I think you'll find this to be very nice. Although it is not oil-based, it is alcohol-based. Up next is the ArtPrimo solid paint marker, which is very world famous, everybody knows about it. One of my favorite markers, and a great deal to have in this kit. This is a solidified paint stick, for those who don't know, so there's no pumping, there's no nothing, just twist the little base here, and the solid paint will start moving up. Great marker. Also available is a filled ArtPrimo drip mop with black ink, also known as our Spring Fever mops. This is a very thick black paint, works very good with a variety of inks, and it also mixes really well with our Steve Garvey ink and Garvey itself. Great stuff. Also included in this kit is a black AP squeezer. This is a metal tip marker with an actuating nib, so as you write with it, you will push on the nib and squeeze. Make sure you shake it first, it's highly pigmented. Make sure it's nice and juicy. Okay. Alright guys, up first is the bullet with a 4mm nib. Let's see how it works. Alright guys, up next is the AP solid paint marker. Alright guys, up next is the Spring Fever mop. Alright, up next is the AP squeezer. And there you have it, friends, the Blackout Kit for only $9.99. A simple kit to get you on your way to doing whatever it is you need to do. And you know what? This is only available for one day. One day only, and it's gone. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate your support. This is ArtPrimo.com. GR signing out. Thank you very much. Peace.